Welcome to the beautiful state of Colorado, where investors and homeowners take pride in their properties amidst stunning natural surroundings. Today we'll explore a crucial aspect of property ownership for townhome and condo owners: HO6 insurance coverage, and what Colorado property owners need to know. If you own a condominium in Colorado, you've likely heard about HO6 insurance, but what exactly is it and why is it important? HO6 insurance is a type of insurance designed specifically for condominium owners. Unlike traditional homeowners insurance, which typically covers both the structure of the property as well as what's inside, the insurance carried by your condominium or townhome association typically only covers the outside structure. So while your roof and outside walls are covered by the association, HO6 insurance is tailored to cover what's inside your unit. Your condo is an investment. HO6 insurance protects your personal property, interior walls, fixtures, and improvements you've made to your unit. Let's dive into some coverage highlights that Colorado property owners should be aware of. Number 1, personal property coverage. HO6 insurance safeguards your personal belongings from furniture to electronics against perils like fire, theft, or vandalism. Number 2, interior structures and improvements. If you've invested in upgrades like hardwood floors or custom cabinets, HO6 insurance ensures that these improvements are protected. Number 3, liability protection. Accidents can happen. If someone is injured while visiting your condo, HO6 insurance can provide liability coverage, protecting you from potential legal expenses. But why is HO6 insurance particularly important for Colorado property owners? Colorado is known for its diverse climate, from heavy snowfall in the winter to occasional hailstorms. While your condominium association's master policy will cover your roof and exterior walls, HO6 insurance becomes crucial in safeguarding your property from weather-related damages that may not be otherwise covered. Imagine having peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected against unforeseen events. That's the security HO6 insurance can provide. In the heart of the Rockies, where every view is a masterpiece, your home or investment deserves the best protection. Colorado property owners, take the next step in securing your investment. Consider HO6 insurance. Because in this beautiful state, your home is not just a dwelling, it's a part of the Colorado dream. Until next time, Colorado, metal up.